Hello everyone, if you are facing this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome browser on your Windows computer, then I am going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's start with the first solution, that is restarting your internet connection. Try restarting your router or modem, then access the website again to check if this fixed your issue. Next solution is disable IPv6. Click on Windows search, type Control Panel and open it. In the Control Panel window, click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on your active internet connection. Now click on Properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 6 and deselect it. Click on OK and check if your problem is fixed. For the final solution, you can try clearing your browser cache. Open Google Chrome browser, click on three dots at the top right corner, then go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files option, click on Clear Data. Now try to reload the website to see if you are still encountering the "this site can't be reached" error. So I hope these methods will work for you. If you found them helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel.